Hello everybody, my name is Kaya Lau and I'm going to teach you how to draw a mummy pig. And the material we will need is a pencil and a permanent marker and some orange for the body and a hot pink or reddish pink and some black for the shoes and this little pink color for the face. So let's just get to the video. Now we're going to draw a face like a big six. So I go like this. Wait, let me see what it is. So when you're done with the face, it kind of looks like a G and a 6 if you turn it around, but it looks like a G if you leave it like this. Now we're going to draw the nose like this. And now we're going to draw the oval. Here's the nose, and now we need to draw the nostrils inside. Now I'm going to draw the ear. The first one should be in the middle of the head. So now we need to draw a little bit inside. Like that. It kind of looks like an N. So now we're going to do the next one right over here. That. Now we're going to draw the eyes. So one eye should be in the middle of the ears, right? Like right that. Now we're going to draw another eye that's a bit up, like here. So, oops, a little bit too close. Here is good. I'll do this one. Let's make it a bit higher. And now, after we make the two eyes, let's make the eyeball. So they both are touching the end. Now for the other one. Now we're going to draw the eyelashes. And right here like that. And over here. So I'll draw one over here, and over here, and one over here. Now for the other one. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to draw the cheek. Right over here. When you're done with the cheek, we're going to do the mouth. Remember, I say it's a little bit thick like this, so we can color it in. First, we draw a curve, like a smile, but another curve at the end, like that. And then we're going to draw the body. We will start from here. Right over here. And now we're going to connect with a straight line. You see that part little sticky up? I'm going to erase that. Also looks silly. Now I'm going to draw the arms like French fry. The first one, we will draw inside. Look at the French fry. It's an arm, not French fries. And now we're going to draw the other arm French fry, but not in like the left one. Now we are going to draw the legs and also the feet. So we're going to do it a bit longer than the body. Like almost the same as the cheek, or the same. But we need to make a little curve right here. Oops, a little bit too down. Like this. And then we're going to do the other one. It kind of looks like keys. Now I'm going to do the tail like a squiggly E. Like this. At the end, you need to swipe a little bit so it's sharp. You see how it's a little bit sharp? And now we are done with the body. So now we're going to trace with our permanent marker. It's also called a sharpy. I'm going to use the thin side. And when you're done with the whole body, that will look like this. Then we get to color. I love coloring. And now we're going to erase the line so we don't see any lines. Erase the line with your eraser. Now, I am going to color. Let's use our peach color to color the face. Without the outlining. And now, we're going to do the cheek. Without the cheek, let's get the red for the lipstick. Like. And now we're going to do the body. That might take a long time. Look how wide it is. Now, the last thing we need is the feet. Now the purple needs to be a little bit more black. Purples are so black. I'm a kid that is 6 years old. So this is how it should look like at the end. And I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give a thumbs up and smash that like button and subscribe. There's another video that George Pig and Peppa Pig that my sister drew. I hope you can go and check that out when you have free time. Goodbye! Hope you have fun drawing. Bye!